Assalamu alaikum. My beloved students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Nur, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I will take the class of Islamic Studies for class 2. Before starting the class, I would like to thank to those students who are watching our all classes continuously through the YouTube channel. My beloved students, today our topic is memorizing part and lesson 11 discussion. Memorizing part and lesson 11 discussion, and that syllabus according to the annual syllabus. And this is your first class, annual term first class. So first of all, I will discuss about the memorizing part, and as you know, there are three parts in memorizing part. First one is one surah, then one hadith, and last one dua. So there is Surah Al-Fil. I will recite. Before reciting, students, keep attention. There are two type of signs, black signs. One is straight sign and another is curved sign. Where is the straight sign? I will take short breath, which is called in Arabic language mad. And where is the curved sign? There I will take the gunna. That can be the ikfa gunna or the mim sakin gunna. So when I will recite, you can recite with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل وأرسل عليهم طيرا أبابيل ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل فجعلهم كعصف مأكول. Now I will discuss about the Hadith Sharif. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا سألت فاسأل الله. Again I am telling, إذا سألت فاسأل الله, meaning when you ask for something, ask for it from Allah. My dear students, in Hadith Sharif, our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Idha sa'alta fas'alillah." It means when you ask for something, when you need for something, when you require for anything, at first you will ask to Almighty Allah. You can perform 2 rakat of nafil prayer and you can raise your both hands to the Almighty Allah. I can give one example. At the time of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, those were the Sahabi when they lost their shoelace. You know, shoelace is some minor things. After that, they go to the mosque and perform 2 rakat of prayer, nafil prayer, and they raise their hands to the Almighty Allah for getting the new shoelace or the same shoelace. So any kinds of things, when we record, at first we will raise our hands to the Almighty Allah. So Almighty Allah will return that, will give to us through any kinds, I mean through the parents, through the elder brothers, or through the government, any of the, through Almighty Allah will help us. So our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that hadith. And then Durud Sharif. Students, this Durud Sharif we recite in Salat in the sitting position. And that Durud Sharif is called Durud Ibrahim. And same as I given there 2 type of sign, and you can recite like by following these 2 signs. First one is short mud and second curved sign is gunna. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. So students, these three parts you will practice at home again and again, inshallah that will be memorized. Now I will discuss about the lesson 11 Surah Al-Fil meaning. Already I recite here Surah Fil, now I will discuss about the meaning. But before starting the meaning of Surah Al-Fil, there is a Shane Nuzul, I mean why Almighty Allah revealed this surah upon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There is a short history, I am just telling you briefly. That is, that surah Almighty Allah when revealed, after 50 years our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam came in this world, I mean he has been born. So before born of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam 50 years, this incident occurred. And that time in the country of Yemen, you heard the name of country Yemen. At that time in the Yemen there was a ruler, tyrannical ruler. His name was Abraha and he was a Christian. When he saw many of the peoples are respecting the Holy Kaaba and they are worshipping the Holy Kaaba, then the Abraha being jealous. That's why Abraha made a Christian church. And why he has made that? He has made that every people will come to that church and they will worship and they will respect, same as how the people are respecting to the Holy Kaaba. So after few days, when Abraha seeing nobody is coming to his church and not respecting, then he being more angry and he tried to destroy the Holy Kaaba. Then he made a plan for destroying the Holy Kaaba and he gathered a lot of forces, army forces, and there was 3 huge elephants. Students, Surah Fil, Fil means elephant, and this surah is related to the elephants. There was 13 elephants and then Abraha came start for destroying the Holy Kaaba, and middle of the way Almighty Allah sent flocks of birds. That was a little birds, and Allah sent with the birds 3 stones, small stones. One is with their mouth and 2 is with their legs. And when he came near of the Holy Kaaba, Almighty Allah threw that stones upon the huge armies, and then all the armies, all the members of Abraha has been died. But Almighty Allah make alive the Abraha for few days and he was injured, major injured. But after day by day he was panic for that injured, and one day he also has been died. This surah Almighty Allah revealed in Makkah, and this is the 105th number of surah in serial in the Holy Quran, and there are 5 ayats. So first one, I am telling the meaning. Do you not see how your Lord dealt with the people of the elephant? Allah is saying to our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, students, see, dealt mean behave. I mean how Allah behaved with the people of the elephant, and already we have known. And then number 2, did he not make their treacherous plan go awry? I mean Allah is saying how Allah Allah destroyed the false plan of the Abraha and he carved their all plan. And number 3, and he means Almighty Allah, and he sent against them flights of birds. Students, in the surah there is the name of Ababil. Ababil means flights of birds. Ababil is not the bird's name. And then number 4, striking them with stones of baked clay. Striking means beating. Almighty Allah beat the people of the elephant with the stones, and stones made by clay which was after burning. And then number 5, then did he not make them like an empty field of stalks and straw of which the corn has been eaten up? Students, number 5 ayahs, Allah said, Allah destroyed the all people of the elephants, like many of the animals came to one cornfield and they has eaten all the corn, same as Allah destroyed the all people of the elephants. Hope you understood my discussion. Keep learning and writing at home, and there is no HW. After that I am telling to you, be careful about the HW, because you will get your marks, CT or diary or SBA marks according to the performance of your HW. And every Sunday you will submit your HW copy in our ground floor in your school, and you will return that, you will collect that same date another Sunday, and you will take the previous copy. So obey your parents, stay well, see you later inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.